Hi and welcome to Oddsfutures. You've signed up, received your 20 euros, and you are ready to trade. Thanks for signing up and welcome. First thing you do is log into your account, and on the first page you'll see your account. Let me run through the account for you quickly. On the top there you'll see account balance. That is what you've got in your account. I started with 20 euros about 10 days ago and I'm up to 72. You're available to trade. That is the amount of money you've got to trade left in your account. I've done some trades today. I'm liable for 72 euros, so I've traded most of my account. But while I'm doing the video, I'll cancel a few to show you how it works. And that will give you the available to trade. And then you open your current open matched and unsettled positions. This is either profit or loss. If it's red, you're in a loss. If it is green, you're in a profit. Now you'll see it's 9 o'clock on Monday morning and I'm up €9.96 in profit. The rest of the page you'll see, you can click here for the next race if you start trading. I'll show you that a little bit later, or the race you want to trade on. You'll see your top movers and your top drifters. The top movers are just simply horses people think will win, so they're backing it and the price drops. This one is called Hatter Stream. It started off at 142. The price is down to 40.02. Top drifters, horses that's not doing that well. People don't think they'll win, so there's not a lot of liability for the bookies. If they win, there's not a lot of people putting money on it, so the prices go up, trying to attract money for the races, or for the horse for the race. At the bottom you'll see my current trades. These are the trades I've made this morning, and they've all been matched. I've sold 4 horses, or I sold 3 horses. One is called my Valetia and my Lady Rossure and Darsan, and they are both drifting, so I sold them, and that meant that I think the price of the horse will increase. It's not going to go down, it's going to drift negatively, and they've all done that, and I'm in profit there. But that can change during the day. People might put money on later, the price might tighten, and they might move closer. Then on the middle there you'll see my trades. These are trades that I've put out for the day. They're not matched. Most of them has not been matched yet. There's a whole list of them on top there. I can cancel them anytime, or I can leave them and wait and hope they might be matched. At the bottom you'll see the ones that are matched, the trades that's been matched. Okay, so now for the first step. You've got your 20 euro, you want to start trading. First thing you do is, please don't spend 20 euro on one trade. That is, try and control your bankroll. Make a few small trades. 2 euros is the minimum. Make a few minimum trades in the beginning until you get used to the platform. It looks a bit daunting at the beginning, complicated, but it's not really. It's very simple. It's basically buying and selling. So the first thing you can do, you can either click on the next horse race. That will open the first race of the day. That is the 12:40 at Limerick. Or you can pick a specific race. Now, I think it's better if we pick a specific race, make it interesting. Okay, let's make a few trades. You ready to trade? I've started this morning. You can see my account had some activity. I lost about 7 or 8 euros, but there's still open trades, and I'm a little bit in profit at the moment. So let's see what's the next horse race. Next horse race is 2 o'clock at Plumpton. You can see there's a lot of activity. I put a few trades out for the fun. I have some money on 5 Rivers. I sold it at odds of 2. At the moment it's trading 2.4, so I make 3 cents on my 2 euro bet. And on Batwick Brave, I bought Batwick Brave at 6.1. At the moment the odds are drifting to 6.56, so let us sell it. No, it won't make sense to sell it. We leave it at the moment like that. This person thinks the price is still going to go up from 5.32. If you want to, we can take a chance on something else. We take a chance. There we go. We can put a little bit more. We can put another 2 euro if you want to I think the price is going to go up on 5 rivers, so I'll trade another €2 on it and see what happens. You execute a trade and 5 rivers, you'll have another €2. So you can see there's a lot of activity, there's a liquid market, things are happening. So you can either buy or sell. Let's put another €2 on Batwick Brave. Now Batwick Brave at the moment is trading for 2.56. I think the price might tighten up a little bit because he's the second favorite. So let us put another €2 on buying him. At the moment he's trading for 6.5. So let's buy him at 6. See if somebody wants to trade at 6. We put €2 on that. You can change the bet, and oops, he's already drifting. He's already falling in price. So we can buy him at 5.9. You have to be quick. 5.9 for €2. Now my trade will be out, and let's hope there's my trade. Let's hope somebody match it. He'll be a little bit in profit because I'm making it attractive. I'm selling for less than the price at the moment. There we go. We matched. The trade was open. It's matched. Now you can watch. You can also see what activity was in the horse. If you click on the little arrow, it will open a graphic to give you an idea what type of money was in the horse. You can see he started at 3.5. He was second favorite, went up in price, and that's a graph. So he's been drifting. I think there's a lot of money on the favorite. So let's have a look and see what's happening to the race. The race should be off at 2 o'clock. That will give us, it should be off any minute now. At the moment I'm in 25 cents in profit. I've lost 1 cent on Batwick Brave, and I've gained 27 cents on 5 rivers. And that's the basics of how to trade. This person thinks the price is going to go up, and there it goes up, so he's made a little profit. You see there's a lot of activity, so it's easy to trade. It's close to the off, so things are happening at the moment. That's the basics of how to trade. You buy high and you sell low. Okay, there we go. The market is closed. I've made 7 cents on my 4 or 5 euro trade. You can trade more, you can trade less, and you can also make more and less. This was just a demonstration to show you how it's done. Simple as that. Thanks for listening and happy trading.